In this video, we have to find integration of e power sine square x times sine 2x dx. So we know that sine 2x, it is 2 sine x cos x. So it is integration of e power sine square x times sine 2x, it is 2 sine x cos x dx. And now if we take t is equal to sine square x, and if we differentiate both side, then dt, it will be 2 sine x cos x and dx. So 2 sine x cos x dx, it is dt, and sine square x, it is t. So it is integration of e power t dt. We have integration of e power t dt, and integration of e power x dx, it is e power x plus constant c. So integration of e power t dt, it will be e power t plus constant c, and we have t is sine square x. So it will be e power t, it is sine square x plus c.